Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to, well, not welcome back. Welcome to my okay guys, I'm back. Anyway, today I will show you how to install Windows 7 on VMware, but with a little bit of a twist. You are allowed to put in your username and that. So there's a little trick that I've learnt using VMware. This is not being offensive by any means, but this is something for dummies, basically. I don't know if you've seen it on YouTube and stuff. People call things dummies. Okay, so these are all of my operating systems on my computer. I select Windows 7 Ultimate. Yeah, Windows 7 detected. That's not how we do it. We go to I will install the virtual machine operating system later. Then you click next. You select Windows 7 original or whatever. Because I do have 64, but on my laptop it's just better just to stick with 7 original. Then I can call it Windows 7 VM. Yeah. The RAM I'm gonna give it to. I'm gonna give it bridge networking. I'm gonna do that. Create a new virtual disk. Next, I would lower it to about 40. Since this is only a virtual machine, but I'm gonna do 50. And you can choose whether you want that or that. It just makes the files smaller, but you get more of them. So I'm just going to stick with split. So here, 150 gig file will be created using multiple files. Although I said that wrong. And finish. And then you boot up. Well, get greeted by this screen. This is your virtual machine. Now, if you go to VM, settings, and go to CD DVD brackets SATA, and go to use ISO image file. And then you go to wherever it's saved, like mine's in my name, ISO, and operating systems. And yeah, and now I have to click on which operating system. So we want Windows 7 Ultimate, SP1, Surface Pack 1, and then OK. So that's done. So now we need to click on power on this virtual machine. I think I've got mine on stretch mode. So look, it says install Windows 7 as you would on a physical computer. It has the real setup in that. Anyway, if I go on full screen, because I have that little because I have the latest version and I have free stretch, mine's going to be exactly how it would with Windows 7 booting on my main machine. Because as you guys saw, I'm running Windows 7 on my main machine. So when it's like that, I don't really know the difference when it boots up. And there we are. Just to let you know guys, I will pause the video at the when it starts installing, so you guys don't have to wait for that long boring process. The video will be too long, way too long. Okay. So we are greeted with the there we are, Windows 7 mouse. It will lag us a little bit because this is on a virtual machine. Whatever, I've just done this on the main computer. My brother's. Anyway. It depends what language you're in, so if you're in that, choose that. I don't know, sorry. Obviously the whole installation will be English unless you choose another. But I am in the UK, so I'll choose United Kingdom. And then install. It's very similar to my main machine. It's like it's actually running the installation. Even though clearly, as you can see, VMware. Hopefully screen recorder is still running. Damn it. Oh, sorry guys. Recording. Okay, cool. As you can see guys, I will click on next and custom. Make sure you click on custom. Just click on next now. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video. I'll see you in a sec. Hey guys, I just wanted to note something. I've just finished installing Windows 7 Ultimate on my brother's computer. Just to know how Windows 7 actually finds the drivers for everything. Because when this computer, because it used to run Vista, but then it got somehow downgraded to XP, and now just, cause I wanted to upgrade it to 7 to see if internet, because it didn't really have its internet driver before, it could only work on Ethernet. And not like the internet browser worked on it anyway. But this is actually loading straight away, correct resolution, when first logged in, preparing your desktop full res. It found the internet driver, even without internet. Okay, think about that. And yeah, it's just finding loads of cool stuff. And I'm glad that it's doing it. And it's got Aero theme out the box. Well, not out of the box, but you know what I mean. No, this is great. I just wanted to point that out to you guys. How good this has been. Yeah, so as you can see, it's nearly done. I'll pause the video again so you don't get... Okay guys, so we're back. And I just need to reset. Okay, so let me go back in full screen mode. Oh jeez, so annoying. Okay, so type a username. I'm just going to call it Don Plays. Since that's my other channel's name, go subscribe. It's got Mission Specialist. This is my second channel. Well, I've got 5 other channels. But actually, I do want a password. Password hint. Same as host PC. I'm just gonna say that. Now this, the type of Windows product key. Now, as you can tell, it's a VM virtual machine. It doesn't have one. So what we're gonna have to do here is we're gonna actually have to skip. And I'll show you the trick afterwards. And I might make that a full-on video afterwards as well. Actually, no, I'm going to make it a separate video. Yeah, I'm going to make it a separate video called how to activate your Windows 7 machine for free. Anyway, this is at home. This is technically using Ethernet, but it's not because it's wireless. So Microsoft make it so confusing. This channel's only beginning, don't worry, guys. So it's welcome. Now, since we're on VMware, we're going to have to install something called VMware Tools. Now this is super easy, super duper easy just to install, because all you have to do is press 2 or 3 buttons. Jesus, it's so slow. Oh, sorry, I'm dealing with another computer. I think this computer is a 2006 Packard Bell, 2 gig of RAM. Oh, if you're wondering, the computer I'm actually filming on is one of these things. I'll install VMware Tools and I'll show you my computer. So, as you can see, it's got no drivers whatsoever apart from Ethernet, and I don't think any sound. No, there's no sound. Actually, okay, there's sound. Okay, whatever. This needs to look. There we are. Look. Run setup.exe. Just say yes to that crap. And then yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna change my res. Okay, so from here, you can actually choose the highest one, if you've got stretch mode on anyway. Whoa, my jeez. Now this is, oh god, I don't know what to, whoa. Everything's so tiny. See the wallpaper? Whoa. Everything's tiny. But, you know what, screw it. I'm gonna use the actual sometimes we will have some like fun, you know, it's having fun days. Well, that will do, I think. One higher than my actual res. Sorry, it's just stuck in my head after my brother watches Ryan's toy thingy. Actually, Ryan's toy review, I'm just gonna say it. Don't copyright me, YouTube. It seems really laggy, but don't worry, it'll be fine. Personalization. this is if you want the aero. Troubleshoot problems. Because the driver installed yet, it won't actually load. So whatever. As you can see, I'm clicking on it. It thinks it's changed. But you know what I find weird? I think that when I'm anything for this, just even no, screw that. I don't even know what I was just gonna say. Don't remember my bloody password. I'm probably watching this video right now. My future self. Hello, future self. Probably watching this when I'm 16. I mean, I'm only 11 now. In year 7. Probably watching this when I'm in like 6th form or something. That'd be so funny. Which means my other channel. Actually, this channel started on the 12th of the 11th, 2019. At 6:36. Well, 6 o'clock. So, next year, this channel should have grown humongously. And I want all you guys out there to subscribe to my main channel. I'll put a link down below, believe me, I will. Okay, so I think that is the end of this video. Now, one thing I'd like you to do is subscribe. Ring the bell if you want more how-to videos by me. Also like the video. By the way, my voice has probably changed in the future. Anyway, comment down below what you thought, and also use the comment section. Don't be nasty in there. Keep it clean. Keep the comments clean. And again, just comment what you want me to do a how-to video on. Okay, that's the end. The end of me talking forever. Okay, bye.